In today's video, we're gonna discuss operations on exponents, the third rule. So we've already done the first and second rules. So now we're gonna do the third rule. So here, the third rule says that when an exponential expression is raised to a power, we keep the base and multiply the exponents. So as you can see, x to the power of a to the power of b equals x to the power of a multiplied by b. For example, if you're given x to the power of 5 raised to the power of negative 2 over x to the power of negative 20, what you do is to multiply the exponents. Right here we have in the numerator x to the power of 5 multiplied by negative 2 all over x to the power of negative 20. So this should be equal to x 5 multiplied by negative 2 is what? Negative 10. Negative 10 over x to the power of negative 20. So now we're going to apply the second rule, which is division rule. So we keep the base, which is x to the power of negative 10 minus negative 20, which is equal to x to the power of negative 10. This minus minus turns to plus 20, which is equal to x to the power. So negative 10 plus 20. So as you learned earlier, that when you have two numbers with different signs, you just that the first rule of addition or subtraction, you just keep the sign of the larger number and deduct the smaller number from the larger number. So the sign of the larger number is positive, which is this is larger number 20. So 20 minus 10 is what? 10. So we have x to the power of 10. That's the answer. So I'm gonna give another example. If you're giving something like x to the power of negative 3 multiplied by y to the power of 10, all raised to the power of negative 3, all over x to the power of negative 11 multiplied by y to the power of negative 32. So I know when you look at it, you'll be like, oh my god, that's a lot. No, just follow the rules. So the first thing we're going to do is just to clear the brackets. It should be equal to, we have x to the power of negative 3. So now you're going to multiply the exponents now. So this is negative 3. You're going to multiply it with negative 3. So you have x to the power of negative 3 multiplied by negative 3 is what? Positive 9. Then multiply by y, multiply by y to the power of, we have 10 here. 10 positive 10 multiplied by negative 3 is what? Negative 30. So negative 30. We clear the brackets, then all over x to the power of negative 11 multiplied by y to the power of negative 32. So for us to do anything now, you have to check the bases now. So when you look at the numerator, the bases are not the same. You look at the denominator, the bases are not. But when you look at it the other way, this and this, we have the same base. They have the same base. This and this have the same base. So we're gonna do the division rule now. So x to the power of 9 minus negative 11 multiplied by y to the power of negative 30 minus negative 32. See that? So now we have x minus 11. So minus turn to plus. So we have x to the power of 9 plus 11 multiplied by y to the power of negative 30 minus turns to plus 32. So now we have x to the power of 9 plus 11 is 20 multiplied by y to the power of minus 30 plus 32 is 2. So there's no other thing you can do because the bases are different. So this is your answer. X to the power of 20 multiplied by y to the power of 2. Hope you find this helpful. And if you have any question, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment section and I will attend to it as soon as possible. So if you like this video, you can just give it a thumbs up and try to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. Okay, thank you.